In this video, we are going to go over 4 various methods on how to subtitle a YouTube video. Creating videos is a great way to share your interests with others on the internet. However, it is important to make sure it's accessible for everyone. Each alternative is advantageous in its own way, and which one you choose may be up to your comfortability level or be chosen based on the style and contents of the video. The 4 methods are as follows: uploading subtitles via Windows, uploading subtitles via Mac OS, enabling and editing YouTube's auto-generated subtitles, or manually creating the subtitles on YouTube. The first method of how to subtitle a video is via Windows. We will begin in the Notes application on your computer. In a new note, you'll want to type the entire script of the video. For easy readability, you'll want to leave between 24 and 32 characters per line. To do this, continue the script on the next line at a natural break in the sentence. After you've completely typed out the script, you'll want to save it as a .txt file to your computer, which it should choose automatically. You'll then move to your YouTube studio, select the video you are planning to work with, and navigate to the subtitle settings. Here we will find easy tools to help sync up the transcript with the video. You'll now want to upload a file. When prompted, select Upload without timing. This will allow you to select the .txt file you just saved. YouTube will automatically assign timings to your video. It may take a few minutes for these to load though, so just be patient. YouTube is pretty smart and will do a good job of matching the text up with the audio in your video. It's important to go back and check though. Watch over your video while still on the screen and make any necessary adjustments so that the words match your video perfectly. You can also make last-minute adjustments to the script on the left-hand side in case there is a spelling error or the words are incorrect. Lastly, you'll want to save this draft so that the subtitles are ready for you when you decide to upload your video to YouTube. The second method for uploading subtitles to your YouTube video is via the Mac operating system. When working on an Apple device such as a MacBook, the process for adding subtitles is very similar but looks a little different. Within the text edit application on your Mac, you'll want to type or paste in your script. It is then necessary for us to correctly format this file. YouTube Studio uses .txt files, therefore we need to convert this file. Under the Format tab, select Make Plain Text. This will convert your script to the correct file type. This should automatically save, and we can now move back to the YouTube Studio. The steps are the same from here when getting the script to match up with the video. Again, watch it over and make sure all the timings line up correctly. The third method for subtitling a video is the use of YouTube's auto-generated subtitles. In the Subtitles tab again, YouTube will sense that there are spoken words in your video and begin working on creating subtitles automatically. It may take a few minutes for them to appear, but once they do, you can go in and refine them. They'll be marked as automatic captions so you can easily identify them. You'll notice when opening them that YouTube is not perfect at picking up sentence breaks or including punctuation. It's important to go back through and make spelling corrections and add punctuation. You'll also want to watch the video through while still on the screen to make sure all the timings are correct. Once you've saved your subtitles, you can go back out to the main page and see that your edited copy was saved as a completely new set of subtitles. The original unedited auto-generated ones will still be there as a base file in case you need them. Lastly, we will explore how to manually type subtitles while working within YouTube Studio. When in the Subtitles tab for your video, you'll want to make sure that you are working within your desired language. You'll then want to select the Add button to the far right and choose to type them manually. This will allow you to play the video and type the subtitles simultaneously. It can be tedious and patience will be necessary. This is a good method, however, for videos that do not have a written out script that can be uploaded. There is also a setting below the video that you can check to help limit the bouncing back and forth you'll have to do. Pause when typing stops the video when you begin typing so as to make the process smoother. When using this method, it is the most important time to make sure that you watch the video through a few times and ensure all timings are correct. Adjusting times is simple with the sliders on the timeline that allow you to decide when the words change. Overall, this method is the most time-consuming and tedious. I would recommend having a script written out before importing it. If that is not an option, however, this method works great to knock out timings and wordings at the same time. And those are the 4 different methods on how to subtitle a YouTube video. As I mentioned earlier, which method you choose may be dependent on the content and style of the video, but you can ultimately choose whichever method you are the most comfortable with and excel at. Subtitling videos may be a tedious process, but is a great way to be inclusive to anyone and everyone who views your video. For questions, concerns, or hands-on training, please reach out to your supervisor.